And the second great principle of PSSME is that read all right spiritual books. I have gained so much knowledge from reading so many books, so many masters, and we take the best out of each and every master, collect the best out of each and every master, and then make it a PSSME. The best of Osho, the best of Losab Nanka, the best of Jane Roberts, the best of Annie Besant, the best of Linda Goodman, the best of Deepak Chopra, the best of Sylvia Browne, the best of Torkam Saradarian, the best of Yogananda Paramahansa, the best of everybody, every great master. The cream from every great master, from every Jesus, every Buddha, every Mahavir, every Zoroaster, every Lao Tzu, every Suwang Tzu. We take the cream, we read the cream of every great master. And that happens to be the second principle in PSSM. We have to read and 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 read. I have read more than 100,000 books, spiritual science books by great spiritual science masters. And I have got the cream of everybody. Earth planet, ancient and modern, medieval, all have contributed to the PSSM philosophy.